All right, hey you guys, Angel doing a quick preview on explaining the problems affiliated with a regular vacuum cleaner. So right now I'll do one that has a filter. Now if you take a look a little closer, this is the one without a bag. So it's actually, there's a filter, there's a cylinder in there, and then there's some filters on it. So forget the name of the brand. This is a Bissell, so forget the brand. All vacuums, they basically have four basic parts. So there's an intake, there's a motor, there's a filter or a bag. This has a filter, and then it has an exhaust. And the reason is because the air that comes in also has to go out. All right, so first problem with the regular vacuum cleaners is when you empty it, the problem with this is careful as you do it. When you empty it, the heavy dirt goes down, the light stuff goes up, so you're breathing that into your lungs, and not only that, but then it's putting the dust back into the environment. All right, the second thing is that you're running your air that's dirty already in the room, and you're running it through dirt, and that's why it smells whenever you turn on a regular vacuum. So there's no way around that. The air has to go through this cylinder, and then it comes out through the exhaust, and then it has another filter here. Now, if you come take a look a little closer on this, if you see all that film of stuff, shouldn't be touching this with my fingers, but part of the hazard of my job. But here's what's happening is you don't have a bag. So this is the actual bag or the filter. Now, what's the problem with a filter is that a clean filter, what's happening is the holes are open. So picture like a mesh. So a clean filter, you have more suction, you pick it up more, but you're blowing out more dirt. The second problem is that they clog, which is the purpose of a filter. Filter means clog. As the filter clogs, it restricts air from going out, which in turn restricts air from coming in. So to sum it up, you're running your air through dirt and dust that's inside this container. Then you run your air through a dirty filter. You're supposed to take these out. Most people don't take them out. And when you take them out, it's a mess. And then if you wash it, you'll have more suction next time, but once again, when you turn it on, it blows out more dirt. So that's the problem with a regular vacuum cleaner, right? Now, this one has the exhaust right here. So I'm gonna attempt to turn it on. Sometimes you can see the light or the air coming out, sometimes you can't, so we'll give it a try. So if you come up a little closer, I think the exhaust is right around here, okay? So this one, wow, it's on the side right here. Look at the dust coming out. So with the light you can see it, but without the light you can't see it. Probably you can really smell it. All right, so that's the problem with a regular vacuum. To sum it up, you're running your air through dirt and bacteria. Number two, it's clogging up, restricting airflow. So that's why we recommend the Rainbow cleaning system, because it uses only water as a filter. So it has 100% suction 100% of the time. So there it is. Have a great day.